Welcome back to Cyber Learning, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today, we'll show you how to remove duplicates in Excel. Step 1. Select Data Range. Open your Excel spreadsheet and select the range of cells that contain the data from which you want to remove duplicates. Step 2. Open Remove Duplicates in the Excel toolbar. Click on the Data tab and then click on the Remove Duplicates button. Step 3. Choose Columns. In the Remove Duplicates dialog box, select the columns that contain the data you want to check for duplicates. Step 4. Remove Duplicates. Click the OK button to remove the duplicate values from the selected columns. Step 5. Review Results. Excel will remove the duplicates and provide a summary of how many duplicates were found and removed. Stay tuned for more tech tutorials and tips on cyber learning. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content.